Hey everyone, DCB here again with another super helpful quick tip. Is your favorite cartoon character drinking glass all faded from the dishwasher? Well, fret no more, my friend, because I have a speedy solution to bringing that glass back to life in all its colorful glory. Show us what we need, Carol. That's right. All you need is plain old boiled linseed oil, available from your local hardware store. Simply put a little dab on a rag and wipe it directly on the graphics. Instantly, the colors will magically pop back into their original vivid, colorful self. Pretty amazing, eh? And it lasts a long time, too. Well, that's all I got for you on this one. I told you it was going to be quick and easy, didn't I? Oh, P.S. A couple of you have asked what happened to the grasshopper version of DCB. Well, he was in a pretty horrible accident involving a dirigible and a runaway locomotive. He survived, but his puppet rigging went all out of whack. He's structured way more complicatedly than I am, so I just have to find some time to put them back together. Or not.